Hello everyone, KJ4YZI, and the question today comes to me in a comment, and I want you guys to comment in this video below for an answer to this question, because I just don't have enough personal experience in 23 years of ham radio on this topic. Now the question asked was, is it worth joining the ARRL? I just got my new license and I got a membership to the ARRL in the mail. Well, it's a good question. Again, I don't have much experience with the ARRL to give you a justified answer on should you pay yearly membership fees. Now, I'll tell you why. I know about the ARRL and what they do. I consider it kind of like a union, to make it, to explain this better. They represent amateur radio and our frequency spectrum to make sure we keep our frequencies and to make sure that the rules and everything that nobody could take from the amateur radio world. It's very important. But the problem I have is, in 23 years of ham radio, I know more about the latest tech a week after it's released, whether it be from a YouTube video from another social media creator or a manufacturer or something that I read or something I see at HamFest. I feel that ARRL hasn't been in my face enough, and I'm not blaming that on the ARRL. I'm telling you why I don't have enough information. Now, I know paying for a membership, which people ask all the time because a lot of people don't have money, and they feel that as a newcomer, that's what you're supposed to do. There's no right or wrong answer here. I would like to learn from your comments as well. And I could be a blowhard and pretend to make this stupid video and act like I know exactly what I'm talking about, but I don't. I'm an amateur radio operator, amateur, and I don't want to act like I know everything. But in 23 years of ham radio, I have done everything from HF mobile to moon bounce, but I've done it all without really knowing ARRL is there, and I want you to change my opinion. Now, to the ARRL, I have nothing against you guys. I have no reason to ever talk bad about you. I just can't give somebody an answer if I don't know enough from myself. I can tell you how to build a dipole and how to work the world or to bounce a signal off the surface of the moon to a person in Russia from your backyard. But I can't tell you why I think you should spend money, okay? Now, the only thing that I could tell you of an experience that I've directly had, which I think with the ARRL, is a video I did a couple years ago where I had my own stance on a certain topic that the ARRL was directly involved in. Now, on YouTube, you do it differently on YouTube. You kind of, have to grab an audience. But at the same time, I felt my opinion and I put it out on video. What I got was a letter handwritten that I think might be authentic because of the wording from somebody that worked at the ARRL and, quote, they were terribly disappointed at my stance in the hobby and how I make videos because I'm putting a bad taste in the ham radio's mouth. Okay? That's kind of how that worked. And I just had an opinion, but is ARRL there to yell at me? Is it there to act as a parent in this hobby? I don't know. I'm not sure. I know that ARRL is at every HamFest, and they're on the top of the signs there, my posters, and they're in books, and they make magazines. I get that. Is that something worth, or is there more to paying for a membership? So I hope this video gets a lot of comments. You can unsubscribe, thumbs down, and never watch again. I just don't care. I'm only trying to promote the hobby. And if I don't have an answer, by golly, I'll get one, and I'll let you guys educate me. That's what I think makes me a better operator. I hope you get a good answer to the person that's going to be watching this video, and I hope ARRL sees this video and knows that I have nothing wrong or bad to say about you. I feel that the ARRL, if they have that much impact in the hobby, my opinion to them is I think it should be more in our face with something that will attract the people to understand what you do. Like Jim Davis always taught me, Eric, if you're going to have an audience or want something from somebody, the people that are going to be asking the question is, what's in it for me? Well, again, I understand ARRL will directly impact the legacy of ham radio for me and everybody else. But I think I need to know more. And yes, I could Google. Here's the comment coming. Eric, you stupid. You can Google this in AI and chat it. I'd rather hear from somebody that can tell me an educated answer so I can educate myself. I hope that makes sense. I hope you liked the video. I hope you comment. And 7-3 from KJ4YZI.
Ham Radio Concepts is brought to you by HamRadioPrep.com. It's never been easier to learn about ham radio before you take the exam. And Ham Radio Prep makes it fun and guarantees your success. Visit HamRadioPrep.com. Use the code ERIC20 to instantly save 20% off every course you buy. Remember the name, HamRadioPrep.com.